Hi, I'm Brett Doles, HVAC Department Chair of Bryan University, providing you with some helpful heating and cooling tips. This tip is window air conditioner preventive maintenance. One of the first things you need to check is the filter, and most of the time located under the front cover. So this one opens from the front, pull it down, simply pull your filter out. You can see this one's dirty. We'll replace it with a clean one. Drop it right back in, close it. Next, you need to check the accordion style gaskets on the side of the air conditioner. Make sure there's no cracks inside. If you look at this one real close, you can see a crack up here on the top. You can find a replacement at the local hardware store. And one of the other things you need to look at is how the window unit sits in the window. So we want to make sure that the unit is level, otherwise you might have some moisture problems. For more tips and information about our HVAC program, visit bryanu.edu/tips.